Hello everyone, welcome to Tigers. Today I'm going to show you how to do a eco tub clean. I'll show you the process, how to go about it, and you can repeat this activity once in 3 months depending on the usage of the machine. For that, first you need to place your detergent here, and or else what you can do is you can place the detergent directly here in the tub before starting the activity. Close the lid and you can see the power buttons here, all your options to clean. So let's switch on the power now, and by default it's under soak and normal, so you'll have to change the cycle to eco tub clean. You can see that there's an eco tub clean option which has been selected now, and you can see that the time which it has taken by default is 93 minutes, which is approximately more than hour and a half. So it will select all the options here, and the water level also it will take automatically. You can't select anything, so if you press here, see, nothing gets selected. So the moment you go to the eco tub mode, it will select all the options automatically. All you need to do is press start and it will start on its own. Now you can see the water intake. So this process will take about hour and a half, so I will show you accordingly. So you can see now the level of water that it has intake or taken is 5. Now it will do all the 3 options, which is wash, rinse and then spin. Alright, so our eco tub cleaning process has completed now. Let me show you. Yeah, the process is done now, and I also missed mentioning, you might want to clean the filter before you start the process. So there are a lot of fabrics which get accumulated inside this filter, so you might want to clean it before you start the process. Yeah, so I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.